Welcome to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Kiosk from the floor of AUSA on day 3. Today we'll be exploring what it means to work with and for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. We'll highlight the incredible opportunities available for businesses to partner with us and to contribute to our mission. We'll also talk about the diverse, rewarding career paths within USACE and how you can become part of our team to help build and shape the future. I would like to introduce our speakers here today. I welcome Major General Kimberly Colloton, Deputy Chief of Engineers and Deputy Commanding General of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
Thanks, Annette. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ms. Liz Walker, USACE Director of Small Business.
Hey.
Good afternoon. And Mr. Stephen Wheeler, Team Lead for the USACE Talent Acquisition Center of Excellence. Good afternoon, sir. Ma'am, can you start us off?
I sure can. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
So many people, I think, are still surprised to learn that civilians make up the vast majority of our workforce. And it's a fact that we don't build anything alone. We need our industry partners. So our engineer expertise and leadership comes from the talented 40,000 strong professionals that proudly serve with us in a civilian capacity in a variety of disciplines. Today, we have a $95 billion program, a portfolio of projects that are either underway or in the planning phases. And as we approach our 250th anniversary next summer, that is the biggest workload we've ever had. I'm not worried. I know that we have the capacity to deliver on our commitments for our nation. Whether we're delivering expertise, engineering capabilities to enhance water resources, facilities for our veterans, critical infrastructure for our warfighters, or providing support in the wake of natural disasters like I know you've talked about over the last couple of days, our support to the recovery of the Francis Scott Key Bridge, catastrophic failure, our support to the tragic wildfires in Maui, and the support we're providing today in response to Hurricanes Helene and Milton. Whether you work for us or with us, we provide an opportunity to make a difference and to provide an opportunity to be a part of something big. So thank you for the opportunity, and I look forward to the discussion today.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Ms. Walker, what is the role of small business partners in helping USACE deliver for the Army and the nation?
Thanks so much, Annette. So we leverage industry capability to be able to deliver on our mission, and small businesses play a critical role in that, whether that's landscaping services at one of our parks, that could be building a facility for one of our agency partners, or like we talked about, response to natural disasters. It can be surprising that actually 70% of the companies we work with are small businesses, so we could not do our mission without them. And that's throughout our whole supply chain as both prime contractors and subcontractors. We really see the innovation they bring, the ability to adapt, and that they take our mission just as seriously as we do. Back in June, we actually awarded a project to a small disadvantaged business for about $12 million, and they are laying the foundation for us. They are building a permafrost tunnel complex, and that's really going to help us be able to do research in the future to really uncover our changing environment.
Fantastic. So what opportunities are there for firms to partner with us?
Our opportunities are endless
Partner
for small businesses.
is such a great word, isn't it, partner?
It really is. We love to partner with small businesses, and there's multiple ways that we do that. So we can do that on the prime contract level. Last year, we awarded almost $28 billion. One of our highest that we've done, and $10.3 billion of that, our second highest in history, went directly to small businesses on prime contracts. So we see a lot of opportunities at the prime level as well as the subcontracting level. So an additional $5 billion of subcontracting opportunities are available to small businesses. And so we really see that's a great opportunity, whether you're learning how to work with us, maybe you want to be mentored, subcontracting is great, but also we have a lot of pre-existing vehicles, and if you don't want to wait 5 more years for that to come around, subcontracting is a really great avenue to be able to start making those relationships, start working with us today to prepare yourself for tomorrow. And then finally on that, where do we find opportunities? Our office, to make it easier for small businesses, puts together twice a year a forecast of opportunities. We keep it in an Excel sheet, really easy to be able to search by location, by type of work, by dollar value. So small businesses are able to look at that and find where do they best fit into our mission.
That's perfect. So what's the pathway to do business with us?
Yeah, that's a great question. A couple points I think to make on that. First, our website has a ton of resources, so that's where we can find our forecast, but we also have a listing of every small business professional. So if you're looking for a point of contact of how do you work with us from every district, you can find it there. If you wanted to look at what's the largest district that does construction, we have that data available on our website. And then from there, that can help make a connection at each of our districts. So I have 70 small business professionals across the world, everywhere that you want to do business. There is someone there to welcome you in, to help show you how you're going to be successful with our agency. And we're also at events. So today we're at AUSA. We have a ton of our folks upstairs meeting one-on-one with small businesses right now. And our next big industry engagement across the enterprise will be in New Orleans, November 20th through the 22nd at the SAME Small Business Conference.
Okay.
So that would be a great way to connect across the board with us. And then finally, just to close out, what we really need help from small businesses on is responding to SAM.gov requests for information. We have to really see that interest for us to do the work on the inside, to set work aside. So really just encourage people to be looking on SAM.gov for opportunities that they've already tracked from our forecast.
Fantastic. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Wheeler, what kind of jobs are available at USACE?
Oh, that is a great question. Of course, we need engineers, and we have engineers, but we also have opportunities for contract specialists, biologists, lock and dam operators. So we have an opportunity for just about any career field that you may be interested in Army Corps engineers. We have over 200 positions and opportunities available.
Okay. So how can someone, in a simple way, apply to work for USACE?
Oh, that's another good question. Well, we have some great opportunities because the Army Corps Engineer has direct hire authority for over 93% of our positions. So what does that mean? We bypass the USA Jobs opportunity. We can hire folks right on the spot. So we have a couple opportunities coming up. We have some career fairs, one next week, which is Society of Women Engineers in Chicago. That's the 23rd to the 26th of October. And then we have two opportunities on the 1st and 2nd of November. The Total Army Career Fair in Los Angeles, California, and there's also the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers in Anaheim, California. Then we'll have USACE hiring managers right there with us, and we're going to make job offers right on the spot and hire some tough talent for the United States Army Corps Engineers.
Okay, great. So what's the website if somebody wants to go look at opportunities that are available?
Well, that's great. The website is www.usafe.army.mil/careers. And not only will you find opportunities, you'll find the USACE job board just launched 6 weeks ago. So you can apply, or individual can apply for direct hire opportunities. You can also look and search for USACE job opportunities. And if you're just surfing and looking around and you want to see what the USACE has to offer you as a candidate, all you have to do is drop your resume, provide some information or career interest, and we can be sure to get back with you.
And that sure does seem simple. Thank you so much, sir. Ma'am, would you like to close us out?
Sure. So I think in summary, I think there's two main reasons you want to work for us or with us. And one is purpose, and the second is people. You know, we have an opportunity to deliver on a number of different missions that are critical to our nation in a variety of different ways, to our nation and our warfighters. As well, people. You have an opportunity to work with the best people in the business. We have an incredible group of talented civilians, and we need to continue to build that team to deliver on that significant workload that we know we have in front of us. We need to not only deliver in the past, 250 years of delivering large, critical, important projects and missions. We need to deliver today, and we need to deliver tomorrow. So we need to build a team for tomorrow. So come be on our team as an industry partner, as one of our civilian professionals, and come be all you can be.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks, Annette.
And thank you for joining us today. We hope you found some inspiration and discussion about collaboration and the rewarding careers available with USACE. If you're interested in partnering with us or becoming part of our team, we encourage you to reach out and discover how you can contribute to our mission. Until next time, remember, your journey with USACE starts here. Let's build together.